Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another tutorial for you guys, and this one is from Sensationnel, Shear, Muse, and her name is Lachan. Neon pink, and I'm loving it. Here I'm spreading my got to be glued down on the stocking cap and a little bit on my forehead, just a tiny bit. As you guys can see, the lace on this wig is dark brown. For some people it fits really well with their skin complexion, but if it doesn't, you just have to tint a bit with some makeup. So I made 3 cuts in the lace, so that way when I go to cut it off, it's easier to cut. So to lay my baby hairs, I'm just using a comb and some mousse. You can use spray, you can use whatever works best for you. I ordered this wig from HAIRSOFLYSHOP. I didn't know how it was going to turn out, but it turned out so beautiful. And I'm happy with the outcome. They have many different colors. If you guys are into colorful wigs, you can check them out. I'll also leave a link and the products used below, so you guys can look at that as well. So here I'm just using some makeup to redefine my part so it can match the skin. Guys, I finally got the electric comb and I'm so happy. So I'm just using this to melt my lace front and just get like the excess makeup and glue and stuff off. Basically melting my lace. So this is the final look and I think I'm in love. Pink is my favorite color, if you guys don't know. I'm obsessed with pink and cow print. But yeah, I'm so in love with this. This is from HAIRSOFLYSHOP. If I haven't said it before, her name is Lachan. And she's poppin'. If you guys enjoyed this video, like and subscribe to my channel. And to all my subscribers, love you guys. Stay tuned for more videos.